Hi, I'm George with Efficient AC, Electric, and Plumbing. I'm here to tell you what you need to know about the refrigerant changes that are taking effect for air conditioners now. Government changes to refrigerants this year will be fully in effect for 2025. The good news is they will reduce the climate impact of refrigerants, otherwise known as global warming potential, GWP. The bad news, hold on to your wallet. Some manufacturers are stating a 25% increase in the already high machine prices. Performance choices should still be similar, as well as machine life expectancy. Most manufacturers of 5-ton and under, which are residential systems, are moving to new refrigerants that have this reduced GWP. So what does this mean to you? Should you replace your system now? If your system is on its last legs, if it's 12 or 15 years old, consider replacing it now at a lower price point. The old refrigerant should be around for at least 10 or more years at an attractive price, and everything will remain serviceable. If your system is newer than this, say 5 to 10 years old, I would wait. As long as it's working well, you should get another 5 or more years out of the system easily. Our goal is to give you efficient answers to your questions about air conditioning. If you found this video helpful, smash that subscribe button and comment with any questions you might have. If you're in Central Texas, feel free to give us a call. We'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching.